Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these key lime pie cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your room temperature butter, followed by the granulated white sugar, then the light brown sugar, and not forgetting to add in the lime zest at this point as well. Then mix everything together until it's fully combined. You are looking for the mixture to be lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency, so this does take a little while, but just keep mixing until you achieve that. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in the egg. And don't forget to add in the egg and mix until that's fully incorporated. Chuck in your vanilla and mix until that's fully incorporated as well. And mix until this is fully worked in, and you'll notice that the mixture has become a lot fluffier and lighter, and this is what you're looking for. Then you can go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to give it at the very top of the bowl and the very bottom of the bowl, as this is normally where it sticks for me. Then you can go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is just your flour, salt and baking powder, followed by the chocolate chips, and then mix on a low speed to start with, working out to a medium-high speed, and just mix until you have a dough form. You don't want to overmix it, but you also don't want to undermix it, so just mix for the perfect amount of time. Then you can go ahead and take your scoop up a generous amount of the dough, bring it together in your hands if it needs to be, and then just flatten it out and create like a little dent in the centre. You can then go ahead and generously fill this with a good amount of lime curd. Just squeeze the cookie dough together to seal that lime curd inside, and then repeat the process until you have no dough left. This does create 5 cookies in total, but before you put them into the oven, you'll want to roll them in the biscuit crumbs, and then just place them into the oven and bake them off. Fresh from the oven, after being baked, you can go ahead and sprinkle over some lime zest. I just zested this when I made the cookies earlier on, so it has dried out a little bit, but feel free to zest it over while it's fresh from the lime. And here's what they look like once they're done, but that's all you need to do, and then let them cool. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.